Hi friends, my name is Indrajit and today I will be showing you how to translate any English text into your own preferred languages like Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Telugu or any other languages.
Invincible.
So at first for that you need to go to Play Store and download an app called Google Translate. After downloading, just open it. Now you can see two options here, that is English and Spanish, but you can change those languages. At first you can see a primary language. This language should be your language which you want to translate into some another language. So here you can see a Spanish option. You can change this language into your own preferred languages. Like if you want to change your English language into suppose I will change it into Hindi. Let me find out Hindi. Yes, here I can see Hindi. Let me select this. So if I choose this option, here you can see also translate option. If you check out this box, so you cannot translate your languages from English to Hindi when you are offline, but if you check in this box, you can download this offline mode, and if you are not connected to internet you can also access those features and you can easily translate those languages. Now just click on finished. Now you can see Hindi language is offline, is downloading. So now we can here write a text simply. If you want to write here any text like Android phone prices. So here you can see, after you click on go, now you can see the translated language here in Hindi, that's Android phone की कीमतों. So it's 90% correct, but not 10%, because the perfection of the grammar is not correct here. If you want to listen the words which is in the final result, just click on the sound here option.
Android phone की कीमतों.
So you can easily listen it. You can also change it in other languages. So more than here 100 languages I can see. It can be more than or it can be also less than that, but it's approximately 100 languages. You can change it in any mode. So here you can see a camera icon here, just click on it. Now the English text will be automatically converted into Hindi, but just you have to align those texts into parallelly. Let's try on another photo. So here after you click on the camera option here, now you can see that use your finger to highlight text. Google has already highlighted some of the text which is found in the camera here. So I will select all. Now you can see that Google has, after detecting, Google has sent me the data. Let's click on here. So in the photo there was written, the world's greatest photographer in the making could be you. So in Hindi it has translated this text into, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी निर्माण में फोटोग्राफर तुम हो जाओगे. Here you can see a speech recognition option. So if you are in offline mode, you can't access this feature. So here we got another feature, that is handwriting mode. If you write here anything, just click on handwriting. So Google has nowadays recognized, and they will input those handwriting only. So this is another great feature they have given. So overall, the Google Translate app is a great app when you are traveling to some another country, so you can easily translate those texts. If suppose you can also convert from another languages, from any other, if you are seeing a letter in Chinese language or any other languages, just select it, or you can convert it in your suitable languages. I hope you find this video useful. Now don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to get the latest tech videos every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Check out other videos. Download India Chats, the world's fastest messaging app. It's free and secure.